How to remove songs from Instagram post. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a tutorial that we can follow up and we should be able to remove the songs on our Instagram. So let's get started. So we can start by opening up Instagram and go to the specific post. So go ahead and open up Instagram and log in into your account if you're not logged in, and look out for your profile in the bottom right corner. Once we tap on our profile, this should appear here. So what we can do is we can just go over to our post and look out for the three dot in the top right corner and tap on it. Once it is done, when we tap on edit, here we should be finding different options: collaborators, location, AI level that we can add, but not the option to remove the songs, and go ahead and change it. So if you want to basically go ahead and remove it, Instagram does not have a direct feature that lets us remove the music from it, but we have the workaround. So what we need to do is tap on the three dot. Once we've done so, tap on delete and delete the post. And again, we can re-upload the post, but without the music. That is one of the solution we can follow up, and that is the only guaranteed way to fully remove the song. Otherwise, if it's a reel, if available, you can tap on audio. So go ahead and look out for your reel, and once you open it up, look out for the three dot and look out for the option called edit or manage. And if there's an option of edit, tap on it. After that, you can just go over and see if you can change the song. You can find this option called replace audio. You can use this option to replace the audio, but there is no such option that lets us remove it. So you can just go over and try changing the sound instead. Most accounts do not have the remove audio option after posting. And Instagram does not allow fully audio removal even after upload. In most of the cases, music is baked into the post during the upload. So that's it, everybody. If you do not want to want that to happen, always double check music before posting. You can use SafeDraft to test the edit first, and you can ensure you can post without music and then add later in editing applications. So that's it for now. We can follow out this method. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.